With Lightspeed 16, you get it all: a powerful CT system with the fastest acquisition and reconstruction capability, intelligent dose management features, and the sharpest images in the industry. With its powerful new tube and generator, the GE Lightspeed 16 provides the foundation for faster gantry rotation speeds and improved image quality. The new tube provides more power on the small focal spot, enhanced resolution throughout the body, and an improved tube cooling rate that allows for longer thin slice studies. Also, GE's patented design reduces off-focal radiation, thereby reducing dose to your patients. Continuing GE's history of responsible dose management, Lightspeed Pro 16 takes dose management to a whole new level. New and innovative dose reduction features include 3-dimensional automatic dose modulation, ECG modulation, and a tube that offers reduced off-focal radiation. Plus, you get the full array of OptiDose features, such as Smart Track and GE's exclusive color coding for kids protocols. The Lightspeed Pro 16 CT system is designed to deliver 0.4-second rotation speed for improved cardiovascular, neuro, pediatric, and lung imaging. Lightspeed Pro 16 with Stream technology provides superior workflow, enhanced productivity, and greater throughput. With 6 frames per second reconstruction and up to 10 frames per second transfer rates, Stream easily handles the large volume of information generated by routine sub-millimeter scanning without forcing you to make the trade-off between slice thickness and productivity. And remember, we have this equipment and much more available for sale or rent at inCAV Medical, your best option for medical and laboratory equipment. Thanks for watching.